What's going on, everybody? Today, well, not today, it's nighttime. It's about 11:30 at night. So I thought I'd bring this out and do a little RC street bashing. It's a nice little group. I haven't had it out but one time. This will be my second time taking it out. Today was really hot and humid out. I couldn't fly because it was windy. The wind was so warm. So I thought I'd bring this out here. Ain't much traffic out tonight. I thought I'd bring it out and do a little video of it. It's fast. See this curve here? It looks pretty neat to jump. I'm gonna try to jump that curve, see what it do. Well, there's a car coming, so I better watch it right now. This little thing's fast. Alright, coast is clear. We'll back it up here. Little short run. Whoa, did you guys see that? That thing went flying over that. Look at that, that's cool. Oh wow, check it out. You guys see that? It popped a wheelie and flipped it. That thing's got a lot of power behind it. It's all right. Get her back out here. It's windy, you guys. Look at my flag over there blowing. Ain't that bad? Here comes the car. Better get her. Come here, buddy. I got a 7.4 1500 milliamp 2S battery in it. Watch this, you guys. 360. What? Ready? That thing is crazy, man. It's fast. It's got power. Look at it. That's how come I wiped out a while ago. I did that gone wheelie. It popped a wheelie. Here comes some cars. I'd like to take it back over and do another ramp off that other one. I think I will. I think I'll take it across the street, you guys, and jump that curve over again. This is Judge. It's by GpToys S920. This thing's got some power. It really does. I'm gonna jump this curve again, you guys. Wait till you see this. This is crazy. I didn't know that. I ain't never bashed at nighttime, you guys. Oh, come on back here. We can do better than that. Come on back. Let's see what you can do, buddy. Spun out some gravel here, you guys. That's what happened. I'll back her up a little bit. Ready? Whoa! That just about popped the wheel again. I see a car down there. See the brakes on that sucker? Car down there. The light, bring it back up here. Do a little run real quick. I can get carried away with this, you guys. I don't want to sit out here and make this video long. It'll run about 15-20 minutes. It's a neat little RC. It's 1/10 scale. I think it's pretty nice, and it's not bad for the money either. I think I got it for $129 off of Amazon. Give another shot at this. No cars coming. You ready? Oh, that was perfect. That was a perfect. Watch this, you guys. I like this part. See, jump a wheelie there. See that? See? Look at that. Wasn't that crazy? You guys, I'm gonna have to pack her in. I'm getting too nuts with it. I like this part right here. Watch. I'll show you one more time. Here comes the car. Yeah, I'm gonna bring her in. I know I've been planning for a minute. I don't want to wear you guys out. I think it's badass. That thing has got some power behind it. It's an awesome little RC. I have fun with it. That's the first time I brought it over here and jumped this curb. I said, the heck, there ain't too much traffic out tonight, why not try it? I appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys take care, and I'll see everyone later. You guys be safe. I hope you guys have a wonderful night or day, whichever.